Clean algae in your aquarium. As we move along our daily routine, stress is a sure part of it. At home, we address such condition by putting something in our surroundings to neutralize this undesirable feeling. One way to do it is to have an aquarium full of colorful fishes that delights our eyes and soothes our mind. However, getting yourself an aquarium demands that you maintain it properly. It requires you to do regular maintenance to get the calming benefit it should provide. Other than the regular replacement of water, your aquarium needs to be free from those unwanted algae. Seeing algae in your fish tank provides an eyesore to your wholesome viewing. If you want to have an algae-free aquarium, here are some ways you can try to clean up your aquarium with algae. Change the water of your aquarium on a regular schedule. You can do it every 5 to 10 days. Changing the water would require the replacement of 50% of your tank's previous content, to give you an ample area for cleaning up its sides. This way, it will displace some floating algae that produces unpleasant odor in your aquarium area. It is also an opportunity for you to remove the harmful nitrates and phosphates produced by the fish regular waste discharge. You need to keep the nitrates below 20 ppm or 40 ppm depending on the invertebrate content of your aquarium. Part of your concern is to change your water filter. Algae accumulate around your filter area. You would want a clean filter for your fish to keep them from harmful irritants. Scrap your water tank thoroughly. You can use any material to scrap off your aquarium with algae. After initially taking the first layer of algae, you can finish it by wiping the sides of your tank with hard cloth to completely remove all sticking algae. These cleaning materials are readily available in your storeroom or within the house. You can use material with sponge or with bristles. Minimize the exposure of your aquarium to sunlight or any light source. Keeping your fish tank from extended or continuous exposure to light will prevent the rapid accumulation of algae in your aquarium. Algae feed on sunlight or any light energy that comes in contact with them. So, it is very much advisable to turn on your aquarium light only if you need to see the fish moving visual for your relaxation, or every time you would want to entertain visitors with this wholesome fixture in your house. Don't feed your fish too much. Sometimes we take the pleasure of extending the feeding time to our beloved pet because it is the moment for us to enjoy seeing them in vibrant mood. But, the unconsumed food provides a good environment for the growth of algae. Also, it makes the water dirty and unclear later on. Get the help of algae-eating fish. You can use the services of Plecostomus, a large algae eaters, or gouramis, and goldfish. Put small amount of common algae inhibitor. This additive product is used with caution so you don't put too much. Though it kills regular algae, it also kills beneficial bacteria working to break down the amount of ammonia from fish's waste to produce less toxic nitrates in the water.